The secret letter. Anna had always been curious about the old house next door. It had been empty for years, and the tall, dark windows gave it a mysterious look. One day, while playing in the yard, Anna found a small, dusty envelope hidden in the bushes. The envelope was old, with no return address, only the name Evelyn written on the front. Anna felt a rush of excitement and wondered who Evelyn was. She opened it carefully and read the letter inside. It was from someone named Robert, written many years ago, expressing love and hope for a future together. Anna decided to find out more. She asked her grandmother, who told her that Robert and Evelyn had once been very close but had lost touch long ago. The letter was one of many they had written to each other, but they never met again. Anna kept the secret of the letter, but it reminded her of how love and memories can live on, even in unexpected ways. Lesson: sometimes, the past holds beautiful stories waiting to be discovered.